2, 1.
The students love it, but it's also for me, being here for 15 years, I love watching the teachers because it is an aha moment for new teachers when they go, oh wait, this is amazing, and the kids love it. They get excited. We have an incredibly talented young lady who comes out on stage and they believe she's the Statue of Liberty, and she shares fun facts with them. They have like crowns and flags. We have a fun song that they sing that belongs to us called You in the USA, and they sing and they dance, and so they walk away here excited, which is our goal for the kickoff, so that when they go back to their classrooms and the teachers work on this program, they always have the reference from this kickoff.
We're excited to be here today at Northridge High School to kick off our Liberty Learning with our second graders. Our kids are really excited to see Lady Liberty and to learn a little bit more about what it is to have liberty and freedom in this great country.
We learned about the Statue of Liberty and about the rights of freedom and stuff. I loved it. I like the song and the dancing.
The program that the second graders of Tuscaloosa City are beginning is called the Hands on Liberty program. And again, all of our programs are civic based, and this is geared towards second grade. We have a character, it's a video based program. They watch a video with Mr. Palmer, and he does a lesson with them, and then we provide a teacher classroom curriculum with lessons and workbooks for the students that follow up with each video lesson. And they'll do that for 12 weeks.
I think they are at a perfect age to kind of take ownership of knowing what it means to be patriotic and to have respect for your country.
How we became about is the person that began our program. He was a self-made entrepreneur, very patriotic man, and he sponsored an honor flight out of Huntsville and took World War II vets to Washington, and went with them, was a chaperone, and he came back and said, we are never going to see that type of patriotism again if we don't do something to make a difference. And so he kind of was like, we got to do something.
I think it's something that is, it's a challenge in this time in our country, and so I think it's a great opportunity for us to instill what it means to have liberty and what it means to give people liberty.
We continue the partnership with Tuscaloosa City Schools, along with the support of the Tuscaloosa County Community Alliance to fund it, that we can provide this program for second grade, and then again, our hope is that we can grow it to the fourth grade so that we have a touch point with these students all the way through their school career.
Today was fun. I just want to learn about the USA.